Luna Classic is absolutely collapsing, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We just made another 43% this week in terms of trading, as well as this whole dip opportunity. Our Telegram channel has absolutely killed it. If you guys are still thinking about joining, make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Luna Classic, we have absolutely broken our crucial support level here around the 12.2 range. Now, in yesterday's video, I mentioned, of course, the fact that it's going to be very important for us to try to get above these exponential moving averages, but you can see since then we've actually broken below and are continuing to make new lower lows until we end up breaking above the EMAs and retesting them as support. We are in a massive downtrend on Luna Classic, which of course we did predict many times because of the fact from the bullish case scenario we failed to break above the 18 resistance. This was the deciding factor in order for us to see a possible move set towards the upside, but since then we've actually capitulated with multiple liquidity grabs happening on Luna Classic. So the question now becomes, where exactly are we looking for a possible bounce or even a good area to look for a possible buy? Now, zooming out of the chart, you'll see the fact that the RSI is in extreme oversold conditions. Ideally, what I'm waiting for, of course, is the fact that once we retest our daily support down here at 86, that could be a very nice opportunity to be looking for a possible entry. But right now, this is the last remaining support that we really have from a bullish case scenario. Right now, we have broken below the 12 range and are starting to see volume come into the market. Of course, we are trading off weekend volume, which is very manipulated, so we would have to wait until next week, ideally until we get that clean confirmation. In yesterday's video, I mentioned to you guys the worst absolute case that we can possibly have is breaking below this area right here, because of the fact that this was a very strong resistance area, and ideally old resistance should become new support before we start looking for that entry. Since we are retesting this level multiple times, I'm actually looking for a possible massive capitulation, possibly even down to the 51 range for Luna Classic overall, because of the fact that's the range that has yet to be tested and really obviously shown support area zone. Now, what I mean by that is, in terms of the 51 range, you'll notice the fact that we've already tested this multiple times when we saw the capitulation and when this first started on Luna Classic. Since then, we never really re-entered that range, and this is exactly where I'm looking to enter, assuming we do see that capitulation happen. Now, of course, looking at the daily time frame, not only are we trading below our exponential moving averages, but we are also using them as resistance as they continue pushing towards the downside. You guys already know 9 out of 10 times when you have our EMA lines pushing lower, as well as the fact a major support level is coming to be tested, we usually end up seeing a very nice wick opportunity and then the recovery. So this is why I'm putting so much emphasis on the 86 support level, possibly looking for a very nice buy opportunity. Now, once again, guys, if we do end up breaking below 86, it's going to be very crucial for us to wait and see whether or not this level is being used as resistance. Assuming we do end up seeing a wick and this level being used as resistance, that's our confirmation to continue looking for that short. But for those of you that have been shorting Luna Classic all the way from up here around the 18 range, you guys can continue holding your short position, of course, and make sure to set trailing stops. I talked about this in the Telegram as well many times. Ideally, the market right now is extremely volatile, and you don't want to try to get caught within these ranges because of the fact with these liquidity grabs happening at any given moment, we could be looking for a possible relief rally before that larger continuation to the downside. Since we are seeing this breakdown formation on a daily support level, this isn't really a bad area to be looking to take some profits. But of course, for those of you looking to enter this buy, I would be very, very careful because of the fact this is the last main support level we really have before we continue pushing on lower. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a one.